helper. You see what you do? Okay, so first get her set up with the fiddle. Show her where to put her hand. Here, take her hand and guide her hand to the right side. You're going to put your hand over here. Got it? And this hand, just hold on to the stick. There you go. And then it's going to go right up here and very lightly. You're going to pull this way. You got it. You can guide your hand.
Always has to be right here in part of the strings.
Yeah, sometimes it's hard to see. So move your hand this way.
Just a hum.
Oh my God, I'm done. I'm done. This is the first time playing.
All right, I think we'll move on. Thanks so much. It's fun to do that, right? All of you, and thank you so much for having us. These are students from Bridge, Boston, and we're going to do a special, unusual thing today with xylophones and fiddles. And you will get a chance to play the xylophones also, so that you won't feel like you're just the audience, which would be so sad. And the way this works is, the cool thing about xylophones is you don't need to know anything. And you could start out just by banging away. And you'll find out how we move from banging, and you'll be going like this, to music, without knowing anything. So I'll just give you a demonstration of the process. I need some mallets here for you. And I'm trying to stand to the side so everybody can see. Oh, I suppose I could get down like this. Can't you get down? So sorry that my back is to you. Can you all see me from here?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to have to keep your eyes on me because I can't crawl around too much. The story is, most important to know when you're starting music with a group, how to stop it. Because once you get going on these things, you don't want to stop. So I could shout stop, but that would not feel very musical. So instead, I silently hold up these mallets, and magic will happen. I have to stand up. I can't do it. Okay. All right. Are you ready for chaos?
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's hear some chaos. They're right on top of it. And the chaos didn't sound too bad either, did it? Let's hear a little more chaos. So you've heard chaos sound not too bad. We got to move to music. So the way we're going to do that is I'm going to start a beat, and then I'm going to come around and I'm going to tap students to add this beat. And we'll see what happens. So far, random notes. Step one will be random notes. So let's see. random notes. The next step, to just one tiny more thing, is going to be, these xylophones are specially made where you can take the bars off. And they're going to take off the F bars and the B bars. We say the francs and the beans. And they know how to take them off very carefully so that and we're going to do the same thing. But now that we've narrowed down the notes, what we have left, I'm going to hold this one up for a minute. What we have left is called a pentatonic scale. You see a pattern of 3, 2, 3, 2. If you think back to the piano keyboard, on the piano keyboard, it looks like the black keys on the piano. And those notes, that pattern of 3, rest, 2, makes a scale that will sound very familiar to you. I won't tell you more about it than that, but all the notes go together. So let's switch and have these two girls go down to the bass instrument, and you guys come over here, the two bass players.
So not fair.
Oh no, so fair. So fair. Yeah, we gotta make some switches around here. And let's have you two switch. Oh no, that doesn't make sense. Let's have you go down to that instrument. So leave your sticks here. You go down there. And then you go down there. You come over here. Alright, so you two are going to be in this instrument. Let's see, have I done enough switching for the moment? And let's have you come with me. Over here. Actually, you just move right there. Okay, I think we're good. Thank you for your patience. So this time, so one of the things about how you make music, you also have to have silence. So they know to go to silence so that we can start the music. And the rhythm I'm going to do this time is this. I'll start it and then you join me. Actually, start it. We're going to do this. Music with very little instruction. Come on this side. We're going to move these xylophones over to the other side. And we might have to bring the low sort of table. So you have to move the cello player.